Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best walking pad is probably one of the most innovative fitness gadgets to hit the market, offering a fantastic way to stay active without the need for a full-size treadmill. Perfect for apartment living or anyone with limited space, these compact machines allow you to walk while working, watching TV, or simply enjoying your day. Today, we're diving deep into the world of walking pads with handles, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Number 5. 2-in-1 folding treadmill with Bluetooth speakers. This treadmill is ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. It's designed for convenience, so you can start your workout immediately. This makes it perfect for any home or office. It features a strong motor suitable for walking, jogging, and running. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 4 miles per hour. The motor operates quietly, allowing you to exercise without disturbing others. The treadmill incorporates a shock reduction system to protect your joints. The running belt is designed with multiple layers to absorb impact. This provides a safe and comfortable workout experience. The LED display tracks your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. It also includes a phone bracket, so you can listen to music or watch videos. You can easily control the treadmill with the included remote. This treadmill folds up easily for storage and has wheels for portability. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments or offices. You can quickly fold it up and move it out of the way when not in use. If you have any issues with the product, customer service is available. They are ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Contact them through Amazon for support. What we like. This treadmill boasts a powerful yet quiet motor, perfect for home or office use. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for small spaces. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-store treadmill, this is a great choice. It also has a multifunctional display to track your progress. What people say. It folds up easily and stores against the wall, closet, or under a bed sofa. Easy to assemble. Attach the bar to base and that was about it. Like 10 minutes. This treadmill can go pretty fast, considering. It will measure time, speed, distance, steps, and calories. Controls at your fingertips on the bar. The display is on the base. Number 4. HOWHAI Walking Pad Treadmill with Handlebar. This walking pad with handlebar is designed for a comfortable and safe experience. It is foldable, allowing you to easily adjust it for your workout. The handlebar is adjustable, and the entire unit is foldable. This allows for flexible use and easy storage when not in use. This treadmill features a 2.5 HP motor and supports speeds from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. You can choose from walking, jogging, or running modes to achieve your desired exercise results. Built with a heavy-duty iron frame, this treadmill is sturdy and durable. It can support users up to 265 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The LED screen displays your workout data, including speed, time, distance, and calories burned. It also supports data memory, allowing you to pause and resume your workout without losing progress. This product comes with a 2-year service support for the machine and all parts. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us, and we will reply within 24 hours to provide a solution. What we like. This treadmill features a handlebar for a more comfortable and safe running experience. It also includes an incline feature to boost your workout intensity. If you are looking for a treadmill that can support your workout data, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very easy to set up, and works well. It comes with lubricating oil and an extra remote battery. You can mute the beeping noises as well, which I enjoy. Number 3. Lifepro Pacer Mini Pro Walking Pad Treadmill. This walking pad is designed for under your desk, saving space. The adjustable handlebar provides stability and balance, helping you confidently achieve your fitness goals. With a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour, this treadmill offers an efficient cardiovascular workout. It helps you burn calories and improve your overall fitness, keeping you active and energized. This walking pad features a 7-degree incline, which helps burn calories faster. It elevates your workout intensity and maximizes the efficiency of your exercise sessions. The handle folds down for easy storage in compact spaces. Built-in wheels make it easy to move around. Enjoy hassle-free setup and storage for your active lifestyle. You can control your workout with adjustable speed settings. The display panel tracks calories burned, speed, and distance. Stay motivated and monitor your progress as you strive for your fitness goals. What we like. This walking pad is designed for use under your desk, providing a space-saving fitness solution. It also features an adjustable incline to burn calories faster. If you like a compact and easy-to-store treadmill, you should consider this. What people say. It has the steepest incline, costs less than the other walking pads with a folding handle, and the price was good. It's no louder than the several full-size treadmills I've owned, so not silent, but you can easily watch TV while walking. I love the size for storage, the surprisingly good workout it gives due to the incline, and the way the incline makes it easier on my knee. Number 2. Lifepro Compact 3-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. This treadmill is designed for versatility. It easily converts into a treadmill desk workstation, or a compact walking pad. It's perfect for both home and office use, meeting all your fitness needs. With a sleek and compact build, it supports users up to 220 pounds. The handlebar folds down, transforming it into a walking pad. This allows you to stay productive while staying fit. Connect via Bluetooth to fitness apps. You can track time, distance, and calories on the integrated display. It also features 12 presets and a watch-style remote for easy control. This walking pad is lightweight and portable, allowing you to move it anywhere. Its freestanding design eliminates the need for wall support. It's easy to store under your bed or couch. Connect to the built-in Bluetooth speakers to enjoy your favorite music. There is also a convenient media tray for your tablet or phone. This makes fitness easy and enjoyable. What we like. This treadmill offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, perfect for walking, jogging, or running. It also features app connectivity for enhanced tracking. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-store treadmill, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use, requires no setup except unpacking from the box and oiling the deck. Offers a wide range of exercise speeds in a small footprint. The compact design fits seamlessly in my home office, and the sturdy build ensures stability while walking. Number 1. SereneLife 2-in-1 Walking Pad Treadmill. This innovative treadmill lets you customize your workout with adjustable speed and timer settings. It also has preset training modes to help you achieve your fitness goals, whether it's weight loss or building muscle. Enjoy your favorite music via Bluetooth while using popular fitness apps. It's easy to connect and stay motivated on your fitness journey with this portable treadmill. Maximize your space with the foldable and roll-away design. Built-in wheels make it easy to move and store, making it a perfect fit for any home or office. Keep track of your progress in real time with the LED and LCD displays. You can easily monitor your run time, distance, speed, and calories burned. This treadmill is built with a robust 2.5 HP motor and can support up to 265 pounds. The shock absorption design ensures a comfortable workout experience. What we like. This walking pad treadmill offers seamless tech integration, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music and fitness apps. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for any home or office. If you like to track your progress in real time, you should consider this. What people say. It is easy to control with simple step up and down of speed. The pace is shown on the control panel, as well as distance traveled and calories. It has a safety key for her to wear, and in case of emergency the belt shuts down immediately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.